Welcome to another session of assembly language programming. Today's topic is program to evaluate an arithmetic expression. The expression that I am taking today is P plus Q star R slash S minus T. So this is the expression I am taking. So we will give values to each and every variable, that is P, Q, R, S, T. Then we will evaluate this expression and try to see what is the total output of this expression. The algorithm for this expression P plus Q star R slash S minus T. So there is a addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. So as per priority, first we have to perform the multiplication, that is Q star R. So the step 1 is multiply Q star R. Then divide the product with S. So the next operation is the division operation. Then add the coefficient value of the division to the P, and finally subtract T from that sum. So this is the algorithm, the sequence of operations that we have to perform. For example, if I have taken P as 5, Q as 8, R as 12H, 12H means you know that is 18 in decimal. 1 means 16, 2 plus 2 is 16 plus 2 is 18. S is 3, T is 5. So here the expression is P plus Q star R slash S minus T. Step 1 is we need to perform Q star R, that is 8H into 12H, that means 12H. So in decimal 8 is 8 but 12 is 18. So 8 into 18 means 144. Step 2 is divide that 144 with S, that is 3. So 144 by 3 is 48. Then add plus 5, that is 53. Then subtract 5 from the 53, that is again 48. So the 48 in hexadecimal is 30H. So here we should get the answer as 30H. So this is the program evaluation of arithmetic expression. So in data segment we have declared each and every memory operand, that is P, Q, R, S, T, and the memory operand ANS is the answer. So we have assigned all the values 5, 8, 1, 2, H, 3, 5. So all these are the memory operands, and this is the answer or the result memory operand. Move AX comma data, move DS comma AX is the data segment initialization. So first we have to take Q into AL, R into BL, then multiply BL with AL, that is nothing but Q into R. So that is that. Next we need to perform the division operation. So when you're performing division operation, you should clear the AH part, because AH will take the remainder value. So clearing AH is AH00H. Then you need to take the divisor into CL, that is S. So we are moving S into CL. Then div CL will divide the product of Q star R. So that is div CL, division with S. Then add P to the coefficient value, that is in AL. Then subtract T from that AL. So this is a total operation or the sequence of operations. Then AL will have our answer. So we are moving AL into answer. So it's a very simple program. So we are just followed a sequence of operations based on their operator priorities. Move AH comma force AH, interrupt to 1H will end the execution. Now we'll move on to the execution part. Open TASM. I have already created the program, so just open that program, edit. The name of the program is AXPR expression.asm. So this is the program, my friends. So you can see here all the memory operands P, Q, R, S, T are declared with the initial values 5, 8, 1 to H, 3, 5, and ANS is the result variable where you want to store the answer. So the rest of the program is same as that I have shown in the presentation. Just save this, exit from here. So we need to assemble the code. So TASM expr.asm. So our code is successfully assembled, no errors, no warnings. Just link the code, t-link expr.obj. So successfully linked. Let's execute our code, td expr. So this is a turbo debugger, my friends. So let's execute each and every line by just pressing F7. That is data segment initialization. Now we are copying the first value q into, or you need to perform that operation. So copy the first value q into AL, so that is 08. Next copy the second value into BL, that is 12. So you can see that on right hand side AL has got 8 and BL has got 12. Then multiply, then clear AH, then move S into CL, then divide with CL, so that will divide, then add P to that value, then subtract T from that value, and finally move the result into answer. So let's just see the output, whether we got the correct output or not. I have already shown you in the presentation that the output should be 30H. So I'm just opening the view and go to dump. Okay, here you can see that 5 is our first value, 8 is the second value, 12 is the third, 3 is the fourth, and 05 is the fifth value, and this 30H is our answer. So we got the correct answer, so the code is correct. So let's close this, quit from here. Okay, that's it, my friend. So this is a program to evaluate an arithmetic expression. The arithmetic expression we have taken is a P plus Q star R slash S minus T, and we have given all the values, and we have evaluated the total expression and we got the answer. So this is it. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.